Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, September 7, and the time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and we're gonna be looking at the chart of the Nifty right now. And right here we have a 45 minutes chart. We could see right here that we ended with 2 in this level around 15,513, and then from there we are rallying in an impulsive structure. We got this with 1 of 3 ended here, and this is with 2 of 3, and now we are about to end with 3 of 3. We should be getting at least another 4 and a 5 here, right? 4 and a 5 before we end 3 in red when we finish 5 in black. So simply measuring potential target here. I mean, if we just simply measuring 1, 2, 3 equal leg, we have a 100% target of 17,566. But this is probably reached before we do in the pullback. So 3 in black probably will at least reach 17,566 here, which is the 100%, before we get a pullback in the 4 and then another leg higher again. So overall, this is what we are looking for. A possible path will be a little bit more extension to the upside, at least to 17,566, and then from there we may get this wave 4 pullback, right? This is not to say this is a sell. This is as bullish as it gets. It makes an all-time high, right? So it's not a sell. We're looking for, and this is not to say we definitely will pull back right from this level around 17,470, right? What this is saying is, okay, be careful if anybody is trying to chase, because we could be ending 3 soon, right? This is not a sell, right? We could be ending 3 soon because we can clearly see a 5-way subdivision already in place. So I think it's best to be a little bit careful, and but we still continue to be bullish. This is what basically in the chart is saying, right? We continue to be bullish, and with 4 pullback likely, still when that happens, still find support as long as we don't break below 16,379 and see more upside. Now this wave 4 typically should be ending somewhere between 23.6 38.2% retracement, but we still do not know what the level is yet until we know where wave 3 will end, right? Because wave 3 is still in progress right now. We don't know for sure yet what level wave 3 is going to end. We have to wait for that to finish, and then when we see a decent pullback, we can then measure the retracement to get approximate target from the wave 4, which is between 23.6 38.2% retracement, right? And then from there we can extend higher again the wave 5, so we should be getting some sort of 3 waves here, and then extend higher one more time before we finish 3 in red. So if we zoom out a little bit now to get an idea in the larger degree, right? So I'm zooming out to the 4-hour, placing in all these labels we saw in the 45 minutes. So we got wave 2 in red here, which is the same wave 2 in red here. This is 1 in 2 in black, which is this one. So we are about to finish 3 in black soon right now, and then do a 4 and a 5. So still bullish at this point, and the fact that this is 1 and 2 here suggests that we are talking about, well, at least in the shorter cycle. Let's just focus on this cycle here. This cycle here is only 3 swings so far, so we're looking for at least just looking at the short term, then we should be looking for at least a 4 and a 5 before we end the cycle from July 29. So I think that's the easiest way to look at it from the shorter cycle, instead of talking about the longer term and so on, medium term. Now if you do want to see the longer term, medium term full count, you can always check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. Our website currently is down because the hosting company has a problem with the VPS, in the process of migrating the data. So hopefully it could be up soon, and all the links will work once the website is fully up. Okay, so that's what we're looking in the Nifty. We continue to be bullish for now, and should be looking for a 4 and a 5 before we have a chance to finish this cycle from July as a 5 waves up. Alright, so I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.